Hello friends, welcome back to your EVS class. As we have discussed in the previous video about water cycle. तो आज हम ये देखेंगे कि वाटर साइकिल का प्रोसेस कैसे होता है। तो चलिए कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं। So for this experiment we need a large bowl, mug or small cup, plastic wrap or rope, water and large rubber band. So firstly place the mug or small cup in the center of the bowl. Fill the bowl with the water about 2/3 level of the cup, but don't put water inside the cup. आपको वाटर कप के अंदर नहीं डालना है। Now cover the bowl with plastic wrap. Either tie it with string or place a large rubber band around it to secure the plastic wrap. अब आपको इसे outside sunny area में few hours के लिए रख देना है. After several hours, the plastic wrap will have condensation and some of the condensation will drip or fall down into the cup. तो आपने देखा, in this experiment, the heat of the sun turns the water of the bowl into water vapor, या फिर जिसे हम evaporation भी कहते हैं. The vapor turns back into water droplets on the plastic wrap, means condensation. These drops gets too heavy and that's why it falls back down, and this process is called precipitation. So when it falls back down to the water in the bowl which represent into the land. तो आपने देखा कि वाटर साइकिल का प्रोसेस कैसे होता है. Now students, there is a homework for you. You know what you have to do in homework? In homework, you have to draw a well-labeled diagram of water cycle as well as you have to label the picture of water cycle. Now students, आपको करना क्या है कि well-labeled water cycle का diagram draw करना है as well as इसे label भी करना है. यही नहीं कि draw करके बस color कर दिया. That's it for today kids. I hope you have enjoyed today's process of water cycle a lot. So till then, do experiments. Keep watching your EVS videos. Keep learning. Keep growing. Wear mask. Follow hygiene. Maintain social distancing. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.